As a seasoned project management professional, I often encounter questions about the best tools for planning, tracking, and executing projects. Two names frequently come up in these discussions: Smartsheet and Microsoft Excel. While both are powerful in their own right, a common query arises. Can you use Smartsheet in Excel? The short answer is not directly in the way you might initially think. You can't embed a fully functional Smartsheet interface within Excel. However, the two platforms are designed to work together seamlessly through various import and export functionalities. This interoperability offers significant advantages for project teams, allowing them to leverage the strengths of both applications. This video will delve deep into the ways Smartsheet and Excel can collaborate, providing a comprehensive understanding for anyone looking to enhance their project management workflow, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your educational journey in this field. We'll explore the different integration methods, their benefits, limitations, and practical applications. Understanding the core strengths, Smartsheet versus Excel. Before diving into the integration, it's crucial to appreciate the distinct capabilities of each tool. Microsoft Excel. At its core, Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software. The strengths lie in data manipulation, excellent for complex calculations, data analysis, and creating custom formulas. Charting and visualization. Offers a wide array of charting options for presenting data visually. Flexibility. Highly customizable for various data management tasks beyond just project management. Accessibility. Widely used and familiar to most users. Smartsheet. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is a collaborative work management platform built on a spreadsheet-like interface. Its key advantages include collaboration, designed for real-time multi-user editing and sharing. Project management features, built-in functionalities for task management, Gantt charts, resource allocation, and workflow automation. Scalability, handles large and complex projects with numerous stakeholders effectively. Integration capabilities, offers robust integrations with various other business applications. The synergy, how Smartsheet and Excel work together. Instead of existing within each other, Smartsheet and Excel communicate through import and export functionalities. This allows you to move data between the two platforms, leveraging the specific strengths of each at different stages of your project lifecycle. Here are the primary ways they interact. 1. Importing data from Excel to Smartsheet. This is a common scenario, particularly when you have existing project plans or data stored in Excel that you want to manage collaboratively in Smartsheet. The import process is generally straightforward. Direct import. Smartsheet allows you to directly upload Excel.xls or .xlsx files. During the import, you can map the columns in your Excel sheet to the corresponding columns in your Smartsheet. This ensures that your data is organized correctly. Copy and paste. For smaller datasets or specific sections, you can copy data directly from an Excel sheet and paste it into a Smartsheet. Smartsheet intelligently attempts to match the formatting and data types. Benefits of importing Excel data into Smartsheet. Collaboration. Transforms static Excel data into a dynamic, collaborative environment where multiple team members can work simultaneously. Enhanced project management features. Leverage Smartsheet's built-in project management functionalities like Gantt charts, dependencies, resource management, and automated workflows on your existing data. Improved visibility. Gain a clearer overview of project progress and status through Smartsheet's visual dashboards and reporting capabilities. Workflow automation. Automate repetitive tasks and notifications based on changes in your project data. Use cases for importing, migrating existing project plans, moving project schedules, task lists, and resource assignments from Excel to Smartsheet for better collaboration and tracking. Importing data from other systems. If other systems export data in Excel format, you can easily bring that information into Smartsheet for analysis or inclusion in your project plans. Consolidating data. Combining data from multiple Excel spreadsheets into a centralized Smartsheet for a holistic project view. 2. Exporting data from Smartsheet to Excel. There are various reasons why you might want to export data from Smartsheet to Excel. Advanced data analysis. Excel's robust calculation and charting capabilities can be used for in-depth analysis of project data exported from Smartsheet. Custom reporting. While Smartsheet offers excellent reporting features, Excel provides more granular control over report formatting and presentation. Offline access. Exporting data allows you to work on project information even when you don't have an internet connection. Sharing with external stakeholders. If external stakeholders are more familiar with Excel, exporting data in this format can facilitate easier sharing and understanding. Archiving and backup. Exporting provides a local backup of your project data.